And Alyssa is the photo shoot queen.
Yes.
I love it. This is my new toy, this little thing. It's a knockoff GoPro, but yeah.
My GoPro works. I have two. One
Do you? Oh, I know. I wanted to get the GoPro, but I wasn't gonna pay the price right before the trip, so I was like,
oh yeah.
this was like a $50 thing, so
Yeah.
I'm like,
Oh,
you know
yeah.
what? It's perfect
It's
for
great.
what we need. Yeah. Look at this.
Karen's walking to her yacht. Right there. Look.
Show us your yacht. Yes. Because you've now been on a yacht. You know? You've been on a yacht. Yeah, so we've been having so much fun. Me and Karen, what did we both do today for the very first time ever together?
I'm so ashamed to say.
We both together had our very first shot.
Yes, it was
Ever. What is it called? It's not marijuana.
No,
But it
it's a
sounds like
mamajuana.
Mamajuana. Yeah.
Mamajuana.
And
They
because-
told us it was going to be good. They lied.
They lied. It was strong.
nasty.
It was bad. I was done after that. Everyone else was having more drinks, and I'm like, I'm good after this one shot. But yeah, the tour guide earlier today was like talking about this. It's like exclusive to here.
He said you
and
have
so we were like, we have to do it. When in Rome, when in Punta Cana, this is what
Yeah.
you do. It's these mamajuana things. So I had my
Yeah.
very first shot ever in Punta Cana. That was an experience.
I want to bring that chair.
Here's the behind the scenes of the photo shoot that's about to happen. Love this.
Yeah.
Okay, Karen's gonna pose. Alyssa's gonna photograph. Look at the beach.
My iPhone photography. Yeah, you'll probably have to hold your head.
We are having so much fun. We are taking all the pictures. Here's the pros at taking pictures. And look at this. I just touched the water for the very first time, and it is so warm. Being someone who's only ever gone to like the northern, eastern beaches, Delaware and Maryland coast, this is like the fact that right here the water is so